For any driver, tires are one of their biggest expenses when it comes to vehicle care. With that being said, you should do everything you can to help them maximize their tire purchase. That includes educating customers about the dangers of premature tire wear. In this video, we'll give you 5 tips to help your customers identify and address causes of premature tire wear before they lead to unexpected replacements. Tip number 1 is to check tire pressure regularly. Did you know that tires typically lose up to 2% of their air pressure every month? A tire that's uninflated by just 2% can start showing irregular wear patterns, among a host of other issues. Worn valve stems, temperature changes, and damage from road hazards can cause even more pressure loss. Tell your customers to regularly check tire pressure on their vehicles and inflate tires to the recommended placard pressure if they are low. Tip number 2 is to focus on alignment. Unchecked and undiagnosed alignment could lead to issues that can cause significant tire wear. Toe in or toe out misalignment of the axles are major culprits. It's tough for customers to diagnose these issues without an alignment rack, so tell your customers to check the tires regularly. Tires that are wearing more on one side than the other may indicate an alignment issue. Tip number 3, focus on parts and part quality. Worn parts like ball joints and wheel bearings can all contribute to premature tire wear. Tell your customers to come to the shop if they notice spotty or diagonal wear patterns on their tires. If these issues are present, it's often a sign that some parts are wearing down and need to be replaced. If you offer the services, recommend your shop replace the worn parts. Tip number 4 is to advise your customers against using mismatched tires. Differences as small as 4/32 of an inch of tread depth can accelerate uneven wear. In some cases, 2 tires may have the same tread depth, but different overall diameters due to design variations. This is common when customers use tires from different manufacturers. Even a 1/4 inch difference in diameter can contribute to uneven wear and reduced performance. Tip number 5 is to make sure your technicians focus on tire bead seating. If the tire is not correctly seated, the tire and wheel assembly may become misaligned, leading to uneven wear. For example, if the tire bead does not fit properly onto the wheel, it may not center correctly. As a result, the tread won't make even contact with the road while rolling, which causes uneven wear on the tire's shoulders. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.